Today on nuolacooks, I'm going to show you a fail-proof method of making chicken pie. I'm also going to show you different ways you can prep your chicken and different shapes of chicken pie that you can make. My name is Wonuola. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For ingredients, you'll be needing 2 medium chicken breasts, 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 250 grams of butter, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 potato, 1 carrot and an egg, 1 medium chopped onion. To begin with, add the baking powder to the all-purpose flour and mix together with your hand or with a spoon. Next, add in the butter and mix everything together with your hand until it gets crumbly. This is what it should look like, and next I'm going to add in a cup of cold water gradually and mix together. At this point, you want to make sure that you don't overmix this batter. Just try and bring everything together. Now the batter is ready, and I'm just going to wrap it up and put it in the fridge while I prepare my filling. Putting this batter in the fridge helps to achieve a flaky chicken pie, but if you don't want your chicken pie to be flaky, you can skip this procedure. It's time to prepare the filling. I'm going to peel, wash and chop the potato and carrots into cubes. Next, I'm going to show you 2 different ways you can use to prep chicken breast for the chicken pie. The first method is to do it by hand, which is what I'm showing you now. You need to just grab a knife and cut the chicken breast as small as you can. This method is very easy and it doesn't take so much time. As you can see, you have perfectly minced chicken. The second method is much faster, and this is the one I'm using. All you need to do is to cut the chicken breast into large chunks and put them in this kind of blender or in a food processor and toast it for about 2 or 3 times, and that's it. You have minced chicken. To make the filling, you need to heat up about a teaspoon of olive oil or any kind of cooking oil of your choice and saute the chopped onions for about 2 minutes, then add the minced chicken. You need to use a cooking spoon to turn and break the chicken lumps until it changes in color from light pink to white. Next, you add in the chopped carrots and potatoes. Add in enough water to cook until tender. I added a cup and a half. Next, season it with a cube of chicken seasoning, curry powder, thyme, black pepper and salt. The black pepper is optional. You can use any kind of spice that you want. Cover to cook until tender and the water has almost dried out. To thicken the filling, add in about a tablespoon of all-purpose flour and stir in immediately. Now that the filling is ready, transfer it to a flat plate and let it cool off completely before you use it for the chicken pie. It's time to make the chicken pie. If you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button to subscribe. If you like this video, please do not hesitate to give it a thumbs up and share this video. Thank you. To make the chicken pie, sprinkle some all-purpose flour on a clean work surface and roll out a portion of dough that you can control. For the first shape of chicken pie I'm going to show you, all you need to do is grab any rectangular shape of your desired size. In my own case, I am using a cover of a plastic plate. Press the edges firmly to cut out a rectangular shape and take away the excess dough. Add in the chicken filling and glaze the side of the pie with egg wash so it can be easy for you to close up the pie. Gently close the pie and use your fingers to press the edges. Next, you need to grab a fork, press it on the edges of the pie to secure further. Once that is done, grab the pie gently and put it on the baking tray. Next, I'm going to show you the other shape of chicken pie that you can make. For the second shape of chicken pie, roll out some portion of the dough and grab any round shape of your desired size to cut into round shapes. Next, you need to add the chicken filling. Glaze the sides of the pie with egg wash. Cover the chicken pie. Press your fingers to secure the edges first, then secure with a knife or a fork. I'm going to glaze all the chicken pie with egg wash and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. The chicken pie is ready. This recipe makes up to 12 chicken pies. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more mouth-watering recipes. If you haven't, don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you can see when I post new recipes. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share this video. See you soon.